Did you know that wind-sculpted sand dunes in East Africa's deserts are secretly crafting some of Earth's most unique soils? Watch how nature's sandy ballet transforms entire landscapes. In these harsh desert environments, powerful winds continuously reshape massive dunes, creating an extraordinary natural laboratory. As sand particles dance across the landscape, they sort and redistribute vital minerals throughout different soil layers. This process happens up to 10 times faster than in non-desert regions, with some soil horizons forming in mere decades instead of centuries. The constant movement of sand doesn't just erode, it builds. Each layer of redistributed minerals creates distinct soil horizons, forming a complex underground network that helps desert plants survive. These specialized soils act like natural reservoirs, storing precious water and nutrients in ways that ordinary soils can't match. What hidden secrets do you think lie beneath other extreme landscapes on Earth? Comment below with your theories.